Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will going to teach you how to make an glowy button by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for that I will introduce to my own file structure as we have taken the sound from the AI as cyber glowy click, like right here, play it. Every click it will going to play like that. Okay, and then we have taken the HTML part. For that, just go to our HTML structure. We have given it a title as Gooey button, then style CSS part. Then in body we have defined its div class center wrapper. Then div class as glowy container and give it some button name, button with class as glowy button and its internal text there. Then we have taken the blobs part of it, which will appear as in a very sticky like animation and like in a balls here and there around the button of it. Right here we have taken the 8 of them as in numbers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, sorry 9, for our animation part. Then we, for the glowy effect, we have taken the SCV filter uses. We have given the ID of the glues as filter as the ID with glue. Then we have taken the for Gaussian blur in source graphics, standard deviation is equal to 12 with results equal to blur. It will, and then its color matrix will be in the blur as the mode, and values will be given as the 1 5 times 0, then 0 1 and 5 times 0, then 1, then again 5 times 0, then 25, then minus 10, and then it will going to result in a glue format of it, and then it will going to compose them in the source graphic format and into glue and operator as 8 stop. Okay, then we have established our audio file right here, which we have taken for our project or button. Okay, so then we will go to our general layout of it, as we have given in the body as the margins equal to 0, background and gradient, circle at center as dark, light black and complete black, then the height as the 100 VH, overflow hidden, display as grid, justify content as center and align items as center. Okay, then we have given it's the center paper part, which will align all of the internal parts of the button at the center of them. For we have taken as the position as absolute, top and left as 50%, and then translate as minus 50% comma minus 50%. It will go into center it at the center of the screen. Okay, then we have taken the glue container. From there we have taken the filter URL as the ID of glue that we have crafted in the usually in the SCV part. Okay, then we have given its the width as the 200 pixel, height as 80 pixel, and then we have go to our main button style. Okay, so for that we have taken the button background as the linear grid format, by giving in a 135 degree as in a we have taken the purplish pink background for it, as it looks in the glass motion vision formats very good, so we have taken it. If you have the other choice, you can take the siren or bluish part like that, okay, for your projects. Then we have taken the rounding of by 50 pixels, then padding by 15 pixel and 40 pixel, then the font size as the 1.2 rem, and given it the font color as corn silk, and cursor as pointer, z in text 2, width as 100%, height as 100%, and overflow hidden, box shadow as 0050 pixel, and its color as this 0030 pixel, and translation of that as the animation as background 0.3 seconds is box shadow 0.3 is okay. Then we have given it the hover effect, in which it will going to change its background color by like this, reverse its background color, like right here it is been a dark to light color, it will reverse it, okay, and its box shadow will be lighter and dark type, then with the 0025 pixel and 0050 pixel. Then we have go to our bloops part of them, in which we will going to add them. In that we have taken the absolute position of them at top and left as minus 60 pixel, and width will be in cal 100% plus 120 pixel, and height similar way, and with the z 1, and content event will be none of them, as they will be appear on the side of them, so it doesn't need it to appear. Then we have taken the blues part. For the blue part we have defined its height and length, width as the 30 pixels, background as light pink color, pinkish and purplish color, and border radius in the circular format by 50% of them, and the position as absolute, and then animation will be given as the blue float in the 6-second infinite and easy out format, for giving it in a sticky and gluey format look of them, okay. Then we have given them the box shadow as the 0010 pixel color that we have used before, and 0020 pixel and same color right here, okay. Then the transaction of them, translation as background color 0.3 seconds with ease speed. Then we have defined the animation parts and positioning of them as this. For the second of them will be given as this color, lighter one, and then the third number of them will has the darker color, okay. So for the positioning we have taken as the, for the first part, first child, we have given the top 10%, left as 15%, and animation delay as 0 seconds. And then for the second child we have given the top as 80%, then the left as 20%, animation delay as 0.3 seconds, okay. Then animation delays for each of them will be given as the by the 0.3 seconds increased, okay, like as you have seen right here. And for the positioning of the third we have taken the 60% and left as 85%, and the fourth part we have taken the top as 20 and left as 75. Then fifth 50-50 both side, and sixth 0% and left 50%, and seventh as 100% top and left as 30%, and top as 40% and left as 0%, top 60% and left as 100%. Okay, then we have given it, then give them an effect animation that we have taken it. At the starting and end of that, it will have the translate as 0 0 and scale at the 1. By the when it will reach the 50% of it, it will going to translate by 15 pixel and minus 50 pixel and scale get bigger by 0.4%. And then we will going to give it and a ripple on hover. We have given the animation as ripple 1 second ease out and in the forward direction. Okay, then it will in the ripple it will going to transform with the opacity 1, then it will scale as again to 1.7, opacity 0.6, then 100 transform, scale back to 1 and opacity 1. Then we have added the pulse ring effect to it for the more. When we will click at the button, it will going to show the animation of it, like it will. So like we have clicked right here, it will color it. Okay, that you see. At the position we have taken as the absolute, width as 20 pixel, height as 20 pixel, and border radius as 50% for a attractive animation. And then we have taken the darker purple color for it. Then we have taken its box shadow as 0 20 pixel and color as a pink 40 pixel and pink color. Then translate minus 50 and minus 50 pixel, and then we have given the animation as 0.7 second in the EZ out format in the to the format directions. Then pointer event will be given as none and Z indexation as 0. Okay. Then we have go to our keyframes part of the pulse expand. For the 0% we have taken transform as translate 0 minus 50% comma minus 50% and scale of them as a 50% and opacity will be as 1. And then at the 50% it will going to translate into same format but with the scale as 2.5 to 2.51 and opacity will be as the 0.6. and once its animation done, it will go to 3.5 size and opacity will be 0. Okay, then we go to our JavaScript of it. For that we have taken the on const variable as the button for the GUI button part, and for the sound we have taken the voice sound. Okay, this is in class that. Okay, then we have added an animation for the mouse enter part as by event listener, button style background color as pink, then mouse leave we have taken the darker version. Okay, change it, and then we have given the click animation and sound part of it. Then for this we have taken the button dot event listener or by the event as click event. If triggered, it will activate an arrow function which have the const variable as pulse document dot get element by the span pulse class list add pulse ring right there, and it will going to const rectangle button get bounding length react rectangle, and then the const of the x and y vertices as the e event dot client x minus rectangle left, and with similarly y side with the top minus, and then we will going to get the style left and top of them with the x and y pixel, and then we will going to append its child pulse and variable and remove the pulse animation after it is done by removing the pulse, and it will going to play the sound every time we click it. Okay, so guys, let's go to our demo part. So guys, we have go to our demonstration part of the button, which you can right now see. It has been a very lively and very interactive button. Like you can see, it has been showing the stickiness and hover animation, and right here we will going to click it for it. Like right here, it has started to show the voice as like that. Okay, so guys, if you guys enjoy this button tutorial and like this, or have any query regarding my previous videos or any button tutorials, so you can ask me in the comment section, and if you like it, subscribe to my channel and give a like. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.